Assalamu alaikum, students of nursery class. We already have completed our maths work. Now it's revision time. Revise counting in words from 1 to 10 on your rough notebook. You also revise table of 2, and you will also revise counting in words from 50 backward counting from 50 to 0. Write backward counting from 50 to 0 on your rough notebook. Write counting in numbers from 0 to 100 on your rough notebook. Start from 0 to 100 like this. And shapes name. You will write shapes name on your rough notebook and learn their spelling. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.